entering data using a form, you can enter data into a table using a form format. So if you look at the navigation pane here, you would see that there are two tables in this database, the employees table and hours worked. All right. So to enter data into the employees table, you need to have that table selected. Like you see here, the employees table is selected. So hover your mouse to where you have the create tab, the forms group. Now click on the form. This is you creating a form for the employees table. So this is a form. A form is now created for the employees table. Above there, you will see the views group and the views group, the down arrow. These are different views of a form. The form view, if I click on the form view, this is the form view. The layout view, this is how it looks. There are different there. Now the design view, this is what it looks like. So I would go back to another way you can get back to the views group where you are the design view is by the tab there, employees, right click, and you would see the layout view, the form view. So I'm back to my form view. So if you look at this form, the form is created with all the fields from the employees table. All the fields, surname, other names, ID number, all the fields from the employees table. And now if you look by the status bar down here below the form where you have record, it's displaying record number 1 of 5 records. There are 5 records in the employees table. So what you see here actually is record number 1. To move to different records, you click on the next record and it moves you to the second record, just like that, until you get to the very last record, 5 of 5 record. Now the next pointer there is last record, which is where you are at. Now you want to key in employees, new employee information. You click on the blank record. Then you click on the blank record and key in information about new employee, say John, surname, and this is Martins. Just key in different information there and you click there. Once you're done entering, this is as a citizen, you can say yes. Once you're done entering all the information, you go ahead and still say next record. Once you click on next record, the information automatically saves into the employees table. Once you're done, right click and click save form. Right click by that tab, click save form. Now save the form as employees form. Employees form. Click OK. Now you would see by the navigation pane a form is created called employees form. These are tables, these are forms. So I want to show you that you can actually delete any of this information, any of the database objects. All these are database objects. So if you right click by the form, employees form, you can go ahead and delete it. You can rename the employees form, but before you rename a form, you can see it's open. This form is open, so you can do anything. I need to close the form and say rename. See, you can rename the form. The same thing happens on the table aspect. You can right click and rename, but ensure that the tables or any of the objects, they must be closed, not opened by the object window before you rename any form. Now let's go to the employees table and see if the last record we keyed in is actually showing or saved. You can see here, this was the last record we keyed in, John Martin's this, and you notice that I didn't finish up the information here. So that's it. You can enter information from forms into a table. I hope you do like this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.